All right. February is almost over. So to celebrate, here's a refreshing summer soap that I made last year. Hey soapers, so today I'm making a eucalyptus and mint scented shea butter bar infused with homemade eucalyptus oil. I'm going to be combining Dead Sea mud powder and French green clay powder to give the soap a light sage coloring similar to that of dried eucalyptus leaves. 4 ounces of homemade eucalyptus infused olive oil is included in the recipe. Nurture Soap's earthy eucalyptus and mint fragrance is also included. And since life safety is key, to make sure you're always soaping safely and responsibly, the Brambleberry Life Safety Guide link is included in the description. I also use soapcalc.net to ensure all recipes are formulated properly. Link to website is also included in the description. Let's get soaping. This shea butter bar was so soft and supple, but you can always add some sodium lactate to your recipe if a harder bar is what you prefer. Well, thanks again, guys, for joining me on another video. I appreciate you. And as always, if you like these tutorials, you want to see more, please like, subscribe. Until the next video, bye, soapers.